find that making the lesson relatable to the students really helps them feel engaged. So just asking them questions about themselves in relation to the content, they just really become 10 times more interested in the lesson.
I think no matter the level, from the really youngest learners to even adults, a lot of them still love games the most, games and songs and activities.
I really try to put myself in the student's shoes and see things through their perspective whenever I'm teaching them.
What I like to do is I like to remind the students that it's okay to make mistakes, no problems. If they don't understand something or have problems finding the correct vocabulary, it's all good because we can look for that together as a class.
So to me, comfortability enhances confidence. So what I do in my classes, I make sure that the kids are very comfortable first. So playing games, singing songs, chanting, anything, just so they can feel comfortable first.
For the older students, I think the best way is to sort of let them forget that they're learning English. So the way I'll do it is by maybe playing a song and let them say the lyrics, or a lot of game shows.
If you're gonna play a game, make it a game where the students have to use English with each other, maybe asking each other questions and answers. I feel like that's a way to also have fun and practice English at the same time, so it's a win-win situation.
I will introduce either a quote or an idea, and I will have the students write their opinions on said quote or idea. So for example, it's not so important as to what I think, it's really important what the students think and how they articulate themselves.
Some good examples are you can find tons of interactive video games on YouTube where the students can actually stand up and play along with the game. First of all, I like to actually ask the students about Taiwan. They always have fun telling me about their culture and kind of getting to teach me, which I also do find interesting.
I encourage the students to try to seek out English things, like whether it be music, movies, video games. The more exposure to English they have, the better they will be at learning the language.
So I always try to at least introduce one fun fact about a country or a new culture.
For example, if we do a reading about soccer, I will ask the kids, what do you know about soccer here in Taiwan? What do you know about it elsewhere in the West? And I will just try and engage what I know about my own culture with theirs. And I think that's a really important thing to do to make what you're teaching relevant to them.